What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. As y'all can see, I'm all layered up back here on the farm, helping out Mr. Rogers. Some of y'all know I used to work here on the farm when I was 16. Came back just to kind of help him out, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Right now, we're getting ready to feed everybody. Y'all can see the goats and everybody in the back. We're getting ready to feed them. I'm gonna take y'all with me throughout the day, see where the day takes us. Alright everybody, so as y'all can see, I'm out here feeding the cows. Y'all seen the previous clip. For all y'all that are wondering, those buckets probably weigh about 35, maybe 40 pounds. And it's just mixed feed that we get from our co-op. We're out here feeding everybody, getting ready for this snowstorm supposed to be moving in. It's currently probably like 20 degrees. Y'all can see I'm all layered up. Got my coveralls on, trying to stay warm. We out here feeding everybody. Make sure everybody's happy, get ready for the storm. Be sure to hit that like button if you're new, and I'll let y'all see where the day takes us. All right, guys, so I'm out here. We just finished feeding all the cows here at Rogers' house. We have a couple other ones on the different farms that we rent. I'm walking out here to check on this calf. It's over here by itself, just walking over here to check on him. Yeah, he's fine. Just laying down, resting. Yeah, got all the cows back here and all over the house taken care of and fed. Everybody looks good. Yeah, we're getting ready to see what else we gotta do. Probably put out some hay to get ready for this winter storm that's coming in. Hope everybody stays safe and warm in their houses, but I'll see where the day takes us. All right, so we're getting ready to put the hay and stuff out. He's gonna put it out. I'm just gonna stand here and open the gate when he comes back out. call it a day. And y'all already saw us putting hay out earlier. All right, y'all, welcome back to another day on the farm. Today we're moving hay, getting more hay for the cows. We feed a bunch of it during the wintertime, so we're just gonna store some more up so we don't run out. Usually the cows, they'll eat grass, but wintertime the grass doesn't grow. So we feed hay, and that's why in the summertime you see us cutting hay and everything, so that way when wintertime gets here, we'll have something to feed for the cows. So yeah, we're just hauling loads. We bought some extra hay, that way we make sure we don't run out. So we're just hauling hay back and forth, and y'all get to see us loading it and unloading and all that. So be sure to stick around for the video, and who knows where the farm will take us next. this is the last load we're gonna get. It took us 4 trips over here. Roger did 1 and I did 3, as y'all saw. But heading back to the shop now to get this unloaded, and let's see where else the day's gonna take us. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna keep trying to get these videos out for y'all so y'all can have something to watch. But I need y'all's help to subscribe and get the word out, so that way everybody else can join our family, and that way we can just continue to grow. But I'll see you on the next clip.